I think it's important to take a couple minutes to talk about turbochargers, especially because 3/4 of cars now produced are leaving the factory with one attached to their engines. So what is a turbocharger? Well, essentially it's a device fitted to usually smaller engines to help increase their power output. But they're expensive and they have really tight manufacturing tolerances, meaning they need dedicated protection. In extreme cases, where you have very small engines with very big turbochargers, something called low-speed pre-ignition can actually happen, which essentially causes the combustion of the engine to happen at the wrong time, and this can result in some pretty serious damage to that engine. Now, lubricant design can actually help combat phenomena like this. So, Shell has developed a range of 0W oils which are specifically designed to protect engines and turbochargers in these high-stress environments. You get the added benefit of keeping turbochargers and engines more clean and more immediately protected after startup, meaning that your engine and turbocharger are protected for as long as they need to be, saving you money in the long run.